This video shows how to buy shares of Heartland Express Inc., ticker HTLD, listed on NASDAQ. Heartland Express is a major U.S. trucking and logistics company operating over-the-road freight services. This is an educational overview only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker HTLD to find Heartland Express. Select the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct company and share class. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for HTLD. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to make sure this is the right asset. To place a buy order, choose the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order depending on settings. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the trade can be confirmed. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps there.